Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I is Al Mufid of grade 9 is here to demonstrate some exercise for you all. First of all, we are all gifted with the 5 times routine prayers, which has the most best stretches of all in this world. But still in this period of coronavirus pandemic, we are forced to stay at home for more than a month. Due to this, some have already started to put on weight and for some they meet with cramps and some muscle injuries. In order to get rid of this, our physical education department has planned to upload this video titled Best Fitness Exercise for All, which can be practiced at home during the coronavirus pandemic. And all you need to do is follow this exercise step by step for less than 30 minutes, which will make you feel flexible and better. And here we go.
Let us see how to do squat. Start with your legs just about shoulder width apart. Keep your head and back in straight line. Push your hips as if you are sitting in an imaginary chair. Hips and thighs must be parallel to the floor. Inhale when you go down and exhale when you come up. Do 20 repetitions for a set. Do 3 sets. The benefits of squat: builds your leg muscles, especially quadriceps, hamstrings and calves. Promotes body-wide muscle building. Improves muscle mass. Now we will see plank to push up. Start in a plank position with your elbows at shoulder height and width. Extend your elbows to a locked out position while moving your upper and lower body at the same time. Slowly lower your entire body to the start position while maintaining a straight line. Hips and thighs must be parallel to the floor. Perform 20 plank push-ups for a set. Do 3 sets.
Benefits of plank to push up: increases upper body strength, particularly the shoulders, chest, and triceps. Increases core strength, particularly the anterior core. increases the strength of the posterior core and glutes. Now we will see high knees. High knees are a cardio-intensive exercise performed at a fast pace. Engages core, strengthens all the muscles in your legs, gets your heart rate up and improves momentum, coordination and flexibility. High knees don't just strengthen your hip flexor and leg muscles, but the exercise also targets your core. Doing high knees consistently will also make you a better runner. Now we will see reverse lunges. Stand with feet hip width apart, then step backwards with your right leg until your knees are at 90-degree angle. Your right knee should be pointing towards the ground. Your right knee should be in line with your toes. Push yourself forward to the start position and repeat with your left leg. Do 20 repetitions for a set. Do 3 sets. Benefits of reverse lunges. Safer for knees. Emphasize the muscles of the glutes, hamstrings and quads. Dynamic movements. Less weight transfer. Now we will see leg raise. Targets the iliopsoas because the abdominal muscles are used isometrically to stabilize the body during the motion. Strengthen the rectus abdominis muscle and the internal and external oblique muscles.
Benefits of Legrace. Strengthens your core muscles. Legrace exercise strengthens your lower abdominal muscles. Improves flexibility. Enhances balance and stability. Burns calories fast.
This is the end of the session 1. In this session, we have seen 5 exercises. I hope these exercises are very useful for you. Please implement these exercises in your life. Stay fit, keep going. And thanks for watching this session. Jazakallah for this wonderful opportunity given by our PT department and school management. I will meet you in the next session. Till that, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.